Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about pocket option copy trading or social trading and how you can start to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account within few clicks. So without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video or in the first comment below. Of course, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a video link where you can watch how I was able to turn my $10 into $2,500 by using an extremely simple strategy that is going to be extremely beneficial for you. And if you want to copy my trades, which seems like this, then to join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there and follow the instructions properly. So now once you have followed that, then you will get a UID, okay, my UID that is going to be used to copy these trades automatically into your pocket option account. Now once you get that UID, okay, which is mine, just come to your social trading. Now you can copy all of these traders. That's your choice. You can try it, and I guarantee you are going to make the loss, okay? But if you have my UID, then just click on here and click on search and enter the UID, enter my UID at here. So let's say let me show you again. Okay, so let's take this ID as an example. So UID looks like this. Okay, it is like a 6 or 8 digit number, and then you just click on search. Okay, after you get my UID, just click on this search and put that UID at here in this way, and a name will appear. Now again, let me repeat, this is not my UID. I'm just showing you it as an example. And don't forget to like this video. Once you click on that name, then you will see this kind of box. Now you just need to click on copy. So now if you have noticed or not, I only make, you can rewind the video and see, I only make $200 per trade in each trade. Okay, so now that means if you try to copy 100% of my trade, then all the $200 per trade will be copied in your pocket option account automatically. But not everyone have that kind of balance. So if you want to copy just $2 per trade while I make $200 per trade, then just put it 1% at here. That means 1% of $200 is $2. Okay, similarly, if you want to copy my $10 per trade, then just make it 5% and you start to copy my $10 per trade, even if I'm making $200 per trade. Now you don't need to make any changes to these settings, okay? Because if you make any changes to this setting, then I have noticed all of the people who have copied me, if they make any changes to this, then all of my trades are not copied to their account. That's why I tell you to avoid this. You just need to make change to this copy in proportion and click on confirm. Now if you are worried, let's say you have like 28,000 in your account and you just only want to risk like 20,000 in my copy trading service, for example. You can even copy from $2. I have already told you. Let's say you only want to risk $200, then what you can do is you can $20,000. You only want to risk $20,000. Then what you can do is you can just withdraw this $8,662.89 and just put $20,000 at here. In that way,